Have you ever wished your investments could pay you just like your job does, every single Friday like clockwork? Imagine waking up at the end of each week, not just to your regular paycheck, but also to a little bonus from your portfolio. That's the dream for a lot of investors, and with the right strategy, it's actually possible. Today, we're going to show you how to make that dream a reality. We'll break down 3 unique ETFs that pay out dividends every single week in 2025. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build a steady cash flow, or just want to see those payment notifications pop up more often, these picks could be a game changer. Let's dive in and see how you can start earning weekly. First up on our list is YMAX, the YieldMax Universe Fund of Option Income ETFs. This ETF is designed specifically for investors who want frequent payouts. It's become popular for its unique approach to generating income, and it's one of the few funds that actually pays out every week. Right now, YMAX is offering a jaw-dropping annual yield of around 67%. That's not a typo. 67% per year, paid out in small, regular installments. This is possible because YMAX uses a covered call option strategy, which can generate significant income, especially in volatile markets. To put that in perspective, if you invested $1,000 into YMAX, you could potentially receive about $669 over the course of a year, delivered in bite-sized weekly payments. That's like getting a mini paycheck from your investments every Friday, which can be incredibly motivating and help you stay engaged with your financial goals. But before you get too excited, here's a quick heads up. YMAX generates its income by selling options, which means the payout can fluctuate depending on market conditions. Sometimes part of what you receive might actually be your own capital coming back to you, not just pure profit. So it's important to understand the risks and read the fine print before jumping in. Still, if you're after that regular, reliable cash flow, YMAX stands out as a top pick. It's especially appealing for retirees, side hustlers, or anyone who wants to smooth out their income and enjoy a little extra every week. Next up, let's talk about ULTY, the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. This fund takes the weekly payout concept to a whole new level. ULTY is designed for investors who want to maximize their income potential, even if it means taking on a bit more risk. Right now, ULTY is delivering an eye-popping annual yield of about 117%. That's more than double what you'd get from most high-yield investments, and it's paid out every single week. This is possible because ULTY uses an aggressive option strategy, aiming to squeeze as much income as possible from the market's ups and downs. So, if you put $1,000 into ULTY, you could potentially see over $1,100 in payouts over the course of a year. That's more than your original investment just from the income alone. Of course, these numbers can change, but it shows the power of weekly compounding and high-yield strategies. But remember, with great reward comes great risk. ULTY's high yield is tied directly to the market's volatility, and the payouts can swing up or down depending on how the market performs. If you're comfortable with risk and want to chase those big weekly payouts, ULTY could be worth a look. But it's definitely not for the faint of heart. Our third pick is QQQY, the Defiance NASDAQ 100 Target 30 Income ETF. This fund is a bit different, focusing on generating income from some of the biggest tech stocks in the world. If you want exposure to the NASDAQ 100 and still get paid every week, QQQY is a solid option. QQY currently pays out an annual yield of about 52%, and just like the others, it does so on a weekly basis. That means you're getting a steady stream of income, backed by some of the most well-known companies in the tech sector. With a $1,000 investment, you could expect to receive about $520 over the year, paid out in weekly chunks. It's a great way to put your money to work and enjoy the benefits of regular, predictable income. But here's another quick warning. These high yields aren't guaranteed, and all 3 of these ETFs use option strategies, which can make them more volatile than traditional funds. The payouts can change, and there's always a risk that your returns could drop if the market takes a turn. Make sure you understand the risks before investing. So, which one would you pick? YMAX for steady weekly income, ULTY for ultra-high yield, or QQQY for tech-focused payouts? Each has its own strengths and risks, so think about your goals and risk tolerance before making a choice. Let us know your choice in the comments below. And if you're ready to start earning weekly dividends, check out the Robinhood link in the description for a free stock to kick off your journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly income ideas, tips, and strategies to help you make the most of your investments. Your journey to financial freedom starts with just one step and maybe one weekly dividend at a time.